Hello everyone, this is Elon Musk Live, and today we will talk about how the Tesla CEO and SpaceX founder Elon Musk is living a humble life in a tiny sustainable home worth an astonishingly low amount of $50,000 US. You heard that right, the new owner of Twitter is said to be living in a house as small as 375 square feet. Now, why would a man worth hundreds of billions of dollars be living in a home that's only a little bit bigger than the average garage, which can only fit a single Tesla Model S car? If you want to find out, be sure to stay tuned as we share this exciting news about this affordable and sustainable, high-quality tiny house that can satisfy the needs of even the richest man on the planet, Elon Musk. Let's get right into it. Tesla's Elon Musk has recently unveiled stunning plans for the company's first tiny house for sustainable living, which will be equipped with high-tech gadgets and cutting-edge technology. Meanwhile, the man himself is said to be living in a humble house for less than the price of a Tesla vehicle. How did this come about, you might ask? When Elon Musk, with his net worth of around $265 billion, could easily afford to live in lavish mansions like other celebrities? In fact, Elon Musk used to own plenty of multi-million-dollar estates across California, but in 2020, he started selling all of them. This comes right after he vowed to sell almost all physical possessions, including his properties. At the time, he tweeted, "I am selling all physical possessions, will own no house." He was true to his word. Soon after, he sold all 7 of his properties, including the former home of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory actor Gene Wilder in Bel Air, which he sold to the Hollywood star's nephew, Jordan Walker Perlman, so that the property could remain within the family. He sold it with the condition that it would not be torn down or lose any of its soul. Not long after, the Tesla CEO packed his bags and started downsizing from his former mansions in California to a $50,000 tiny house near the SpaceX development and testing facility in Boca Chica, Texas. This move has garnered the industrial philanthropist many mocking comments from the media and his haters, who will love to criticize him due to his wealth. Amidst this mockery, it was revealed by a follower of Musk that the Tesla CEO is now living in a box-like foldable structure called a casita in Boca Chica, Texas. A casita is a prefabricated housing unit that's only about 400 square feet. At a starting price of $49,500, it is light enough that it can be easily towed by a Model X, which costs twice as much. But in fact, this $49,500 is already too much. This housing unit could be worth as low as $15,000. Too good to be true? Keep watching until the end of the video to find out. A casita is a prefabricated house, meaning the house and its pieces of furniture have been manufactured in sections to enable quick and easy assembly on site. These housing designs have not yet been adopted, but will soon be widely adopted for their convenience and sustainability to address housing shortages. Now, it is a fact that the housing design is genius, and the people who built this residence must all be talented individuals. The questions are, who built it, when was it built, and who is the intended resident of this box-like casita? Back in November 2021, Boxable, a designer and manufacturer of prefab homes based in Las Vegas, Nevada, posted a video on YouTube to announce that its company had recently finished constructions of a casita for a top-secret client. What they said on the video was, "We just installed in Boca Chica, Texas for a top-secret customer." There is some indication that this mysterious customer is somehow related to SpaceX. So, could Elon Musk, who is also the CEO and chief engineer at SpaceX, really be the customer? Furthermore, Boca Chica is a tiny community in the southernmost tip of Texas where people live a very quiet life. It's not really a hotbed for celebrities. Not until Elon Musk and SpaceX set up shop there, so there really isn't many people you can call a top-secret high-profile customer in Boca Chica, except for Musk himself. Galliano Tiramani, Boxable's founder, said in a YouTube video, "Pretty exciting to have these guys as our initial customer. I think it indicates that people agree that we're onto something big here." Although Tiramani did not confirm Musk's residency in the casita, he hasn't shied away from alluding to supplying the tech powerhouse's tiny home either. Before Elon Musk's statement on Twitter that his primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, The interest for these boxable homes had already reached as many as 40,000 customers registered on the waitlist, with 2,000 of them having already paid deposit. After the Tesla CEO's post, this number increased up to nearly 50,000, with many of Musk's fans signing up for Boxable, wanting to live the same way Musk does, regardless of the cost. These customers are just waiting to be notified when prefab homes will be available. After it saw a huge opportunity to transition building construction worldwide into the factory assembly line, just like any other everyday product, Boxable decided to create its tiny homes in 2017. Tiramani said, "There's a number of reasons why housing hasn't really worked in the factory yet. And so they've gone through it and solved all those problems." Almost all of the Casita's finishes, like the kitchen, bathroom, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC, are completed in the factory before it's shipped out. When the Casita arrives at its final destination, the home just needs to be unfolded, which takes only a few hours, and then attached to its foundation and utilities before it's move-in ready. Some of these processes do require lifting equipment, but the majority of them are pretty straightforward and can be handled by the customers themselves without much difficulty. As soon as the outer wall has been unfolded, the floor and 2 side walls can be seen, and upon unfolding the roof, the entire structure will be revealed. The Casita is an energy-efficient, environmentally friendly, studio-type apartment in a box. It has 5 rooms, including a kitchen, a bathroom, a bedroom, a living room, as well as a media room. With a starting price of $49,500, the Casita includes kitchen appliances such as a refrigerator, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and an ironing station. Moreover, the Casita is fitted with low-energy technology, which results in lower utility consumption and thus lower utility bills. This is one of the reasons why many people prefer boxable Casita homes. In addition, Casitas are made of especially durable materials that can even withstand heavy snow loads. These 19.5 by 19.5 foot buildings can be stacked and connected to create larger buildings. But if you're looking for a bigger prefab home, Tiramani says to wait a bit. The company has plans to release larger units. One of the advantages of factory-built homes are their time, cost, and labor efficiency. An average house usually takes about 7 months to construct. In comparison, Boxable, which recently moved into a 170,000 square foot factory in June, hopes to produce a Casita every 90 minutes, or about 3,600 units a year by the end of 2022, with the help of automated and standardized processes. There is actually evidence that Boxable has already constructed 3 houses, although it's unclear if the 3rd house is present at their headquarters. The only issue that other prefab home makers are struggling with, according to Tiramani, is the shipping logistics. The typical modular home is 14 feet wide, in which case escorted trucks are required, as well as a familiar wide load sign while passing through a busy intersection. Casitas, however, can be folded down from 20 feet to a mere 8 feet wide while being transported on a truck or towed by a pickup truck, which means users are not going to need special assistance. In addition, prefab homes can be shipped anywhere with a lower shipping cost, although there may also be additional charges for remote areas in some states. But if customers are willing to pay more for shipping, then the homes can be sent overseas or by rail. This tiny energy-efficient home for sustainable living, which has attracted the attention of the world's richest man, has an initial cost of only $49,500. Other costs may include delivery fee and unpacking permits. Plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning have already been installed on this property. Meanwhile, it's important for you to remember that the Model X is worth $105,000, making it more valuable than the house itself. Perhaps this is the reason why Elon Musk, a multi-billionaire who can afford to live in luxurious mansions, has decided to purchase the Casita. He wanted to get rid of all his extra items and spaces to minimize his carbon footprint as much as possible. We all know that Musk has suspended Bitcoin payments for Tesla vehicles due to concerns about sustainable mining of cryptocurrency, which goes against his company's core values of sustainable development. Tiny houses are generally energy efficient, which reduces their footprint compared to conventional houses. In addition, these technology-oriented housing solutions are the only way to solve the housing crisis, according to the Boxable founder. Supply and demand will decide the price of these tiny homes. With more supply, the house price will decrease, and this originally $50,000 home could soon be purchased for as low as just $15,000. Anyhow, Elon Musk is now living the minimalist life, and we support his decision, as we firmly believe that living in a tiny house is a more sustainable way of living than maintaining and driving back and forth between his many mansions. But that's just our opinion. We want to know your thoughts about these tiny houses and Musk's decision to live in one of them. Tell us in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so you don't miss any exciting news. If you like what you saw, then check out our channel for more interesting videos. Until next time.